everyone! Today I want to share with you how I made this cute circle-shaped skirt for my 16-month-old baby. But in fact, you can use same technique for making skirt of any size and length. So here I have my summer dress that I used for quite some years. I don't want to just throw it away and create the waste, but I want to upcycle it for a cute skirt for my daughter. Here I have, it's not so long, just 60 centimeters, and that should be enough for the circle shaped skirt for my girl. And let's start with the measurements. For this skirt you will need only two measurements, which is waist size and length. So for example, my measurements are 50 centimeters for the waist size and 20 centimeters for the length. I would definitely love to make it longer, but this is the amount of fabric I have. Circle shaped skirt looks like a circle or more like a donut to me, where the distance from the edge to the center represents length of the skirt. So bigger circle you have, longer your skirt will be. And the inner circle circumference is your waist size. So now in order to create a circle of the correct length and the waist size, we need to find the radius of the inner circle. So knowing that my waist size is 50 centimeters, I can find out the radius. So here is the formula. Your radius equal to your waist size divided by 2 multiplied by 3.14. For example, with my waist size 50, I need to divide 50 by 2 multiplied by 314, which is equal to 7.9, and I will round it up to 8 centimeters. So the easiest way to mark and cut pattern for this type of skirt is to fold it 2 times as per the lines on the illustration. So now once you folded your fabric, we can actually mark your skirt. I did not fold it twice because I don't have enough fabric, so I'll have to cut out second part from a different piece of the fabric. However, you ignore this and just, if you have enough fabric, fold it twice. So now from the corner of your fabric, let's mark your radius. My radius was 7.9 centimeters or 8 centimeters rounded up, but I'm marking 10 because I want the skirt to have little gathers. So once you mark your radius from both sides and few points in the middle, you can connect them in one line to create the circumference of the circle. And now from the line you created, you can mark 20 centimeters, which is the length of the skirt, downwards, and connect points with a solid line. Now you can cut out your skirt on both lines. And as I said, I don't have enough fabric to fold it twice, so I took a piece from the back side of my dress. I will ensure I'm pinning the piece I already have to the fabric so it doesn't move. Also I need, because I'll have a cut at the fold, I need to add 1 centimeter for the shoe. Now I need to sew and overlock sides of my skirt, but in your case, if you had enough fabric, you will not have to do this. You'll have just one full circle. So These are my sides that I need to connect together. After sewing is done, I can overlock my seams to create good finishing. If you don't have an overlocking machine, you can of course also use zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. I will also need to overlock the inner circle, your waist, before attaching the elastic band. So now let's attach your elastic band. For this you need to cut a piece of elastic equal to your waist size, minus 2 centimeters. Now just fold your elastic into half, inner side inside, good side inside, and sew it at 1 centimeter from the edge. You can also pre-overlock it before stitching the edges together if you like. I will create a couple of more stitches just to give a finishing to the belt from 2 sides of the original seam. Now I can attach my belt into my skirt. I just need to spread it evenly. So I'll pin the back side of the belt to the back side of the skirt. Then I will find the middle of the ribbon and attach it to the middle of the skirt just by folding into 2. I will also find the sides by folding your ribbon between back and front into 2 again to have more points to refer to. So after you pinned your belt at few reference points with your skirt, you can start sewing. Please ensure to stretch your elastic to the width of your skirt. So here is your skirt almost ready. You just need to overlock and sew the hemline preferred method, of course. I will overlock it and fold it once and sew at the sewing machine to finish it. You can add maybe a ribbon at the bottom, or just fold it twice to create a clean hemline.